I decided to vlog because I have quite an exciting week. First of all, on Thursday, I'm going to YouTube Space to do a workshop, which is pretty lit. What else is going on? I'm doing my like FMP stuff as well right now. So I'm calling like loads of primary schools because I'm doing a children's TV show, if you didn't know already. I don't think I've ever mentioned it. Philip's behind the camera. Do you want to say hi?
Hello. My
phone, right? Really proud of this. So what I've been doing recently is whenever I have a to-do list, I love to-do lists. I basically get a post-it note and then write my to-do list, and then I put arrows. Whenever I finish one thing off my to-do list, I like colour the arrow in green so I know I've done it. But yeah, that's what I do. It's actually so helpful because I can, it's like my phone's constantly on me and it's easier than going on your phone. It's just literally, you just look at your phone and there it is.
Girl learns she can get the guy as long as she fundamentally changes all her core values.
Shrek?
It's not always Shrek.
The answer is always Shrek. Right,
Grease.
I do have.
I love that film. It's
but
so
the
good.
ending is so confusing when they just fly off into space.
I heard this theory
In
that,
Greece?
Yeah, they fly off into the sun in the
I
car.
heard this theory that it's because she's in a coma.
YouTube! Oh yeah! How excited are you?
Very excited. Is Alex.
And together we run the Vlog Star Challenge.
There's literally so many people vlogging.
I know, no, literally. I feel like we are proper YouTubers at like a YouTube convention. Everyone is vlogging.
Literally everyone, I'll show you. Okay, maybe not so much now.
Okay, not now.
But they were before.
When the guys were like, welcome to Vlogstar, literally everyone had their camera out.
Well, their phones, literally anything. Shout out your YouTube channel.
My name's Holly George. Cat shouted me out before.
I did. I think it was in my first vlog. So go check it out. I'm going to put it in the card just up here. Oh, hey!
Oh, hey!
Oh, hey!
Oh, hey! What I find really interesting is that the designs that we thought were like printed on the walls, slash on the glass, are actually just post-it notes. So like, if you see this here, it's literally a post-it note, but like, yeah, they're all over the wall and they create the coolest designs from the post-it notes.
Ready?
Go.
So we're going to start off with introductions. If you can just say your name, your channel name, and what your channel is about. We can start with Gabriel.
I literally love wasabi so much, so I went in there for sushi because that's what I usually get, but instead I got like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like rice and tofu. I'll show you what it is. It's so, well, I haven't tried it yet, but I guess it's really nice. It smells really good. And Lily went to tortilla. What did you get?
I got my normal burrito, the chicken and beans, rice and like guacamole and everything I love.
Behind the scenes of a good Instagram.
No, it'll be like start your day right and it's gonna be really cute.
Cute little
Start your little Friday.
morning date with all these in Costa.
It's gonna happen. I know, yeah, no, it's gonna happen, I promise. Just want to drink my drink. Wait, I'm getting the lighting right. Okay, did it.